Dear students, today I will start exercise number 2.2 for class 8th, which is the equation. I have given the notes of this chapter, and yesterday I have taught, I have you understand that what is the equation, algebraic expressions. Now exercise number 2.2, we will solve some problems like that. If question is given, if you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number, if we subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, we will get 1 upon 8. What is the number? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो ये कह रहा है कि एक नंबर में से 1/2 को हम माइनस करें और माइनस करने के बाद जो रिजल्ट आया उसको 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो आंसर 1/8 आता है। इसमें हमें नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है कि नंबर क्या था। हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एक्सरसाइज है आपकी 2.2। अब हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे ये देखिए। 1 हम इसको लेंगे लेट नंबर बी एक्स। हमने ये लेट कर लिया कि नंबर एक्स है। Then by subtracting 1/2 from this number, we get x minus 1/2। यदि इस नंबर में से हम 1/2 को माइनस कर दें तो हमारे पास में जो नंबर आएगा वो x माइनस 1/2 आएगा। दैट इज द रिजल्ट। इस रिजल्ट को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1/2 से अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉब्लम। रिजल्ट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/2, then we get x minus 1/2, x minus 1/2 multiply 1/2 is equal to we get 1/8। Here we can solve it। 2 की यहां पर मल्टी डिवाइड हो रहा है, हम इसको इस साइड में ले आए क्योंकि यहां मल्टीप्लाई है इस ब्रैकेट के साथ में 1/2 की और डिवाइड हो रहा है 2 से, तो हम 2 को इधर ले आए तो यहां इधर साइड में क्या आ जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। तो वी कैन राइट x माइनस 1/2, क्योंकि यदि किसी नंबर की इस साइड में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में डिवाइड होती है तो लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड में आने पर वो मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाता है। क्योंकि इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो आएगा 1/8 मल्टीप्लाई 2/1। वी गेट 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 2, 4 जा 8। हियर आंसर विल बी x माइनस 1/2 is equal to 1/4। then minus 1/2 here left hand side, it will goes to right hand side, we will bring it, it will become positive। it means ये भी हम कर सकते हैं by adding both side 1/2। दोनों साइड में 1/2 ऐड कर दें, adding both side 1/2 we will get 1/4 plus 1/2। or simply we can say 1/2 here is minus and it will bring towards right hand side. Minus that will be equal to 4 right. Here we take the LCM 4 here 4 1 ja 4 1 plus 2 2 ja 4 here comes 2. Then we will get the answer x is equal to 3 upon 4. Then we will take another question. This was the first question. Second question is this. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice the breadth. Let breadth is bx meter. Let breadth be x meter. Length of the rectangular pool that will be equal to 2 meter more than twice the breadth. It means twice the breadth हो गया 2x और वो कह रहा है कि जो लेंथ है वो ब्रेथ के 2 टाइम्स से भी 2 मीटर ग्रेटर है, मोर है. That will be equal to लेंथ आ गई 2x plus 2. Hence perimeter of rectangular pool is equal to 154 given. पेरीमीटर रेक्टेंगल का होता है 2 into L plus B, that is equal to 154. 2 bracket L, length is x plus 2 plus breadth is x is equal to 154. L के प्लेस पर 2x plus 2 हमने लिख दिया, लेंथ है 2x plus 2, ब्रेथ के प्लेस पर हमने x लिख दिया. आया हमारा 2 मल्टीप्लाई इंप्लाइज का सिंबल 2x plus 1x, ये हो गया 3x plus के 2 is equal to 154. Now we will solve it. हम देखेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करें इसमें 2 3 जा 6, ब्रैकेट में ओपन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3x हो गया, 3 into 2 is equal to 6x आया, प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 is equal to 4, ये आ गया 154, implies 6x is equal to 154 प्लस 4 यार इधर आकर के माइनस हो जाएगा, ये आ गया 150 implies 6x, x हमें निकालना है, 150 divided by 6 we get 25. Breadth of the rectangular pool will be equal to 25 meter. Then length is equal to 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 multiply x. X is 25 plus 2 is equal to 52 meter. Then length of the swimming pool will be 52 meter and breadth of the rectangular pool is 25 meter. Now we will take another question number 3 of this exercise. I hope that you have understand these questions very carefully. Now Question number 3 is this. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4/3. Students, you know that an isosceles triangle have the two equal sides. Let ABC is an isosceles triangle whose AB and AC are equal. Let these are x centimeter, this is x, and base is given 4/3 centimeter. Base is 4/3 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the triangle is 4 right, 2/15 centimeter. Then AB let किया हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Let AB is equal to AC is equal to x centimeter. Then perimeter is equal to, perimeter इसका गिवन है 4 2/15 centimeter. 4 whole 2/15 centimeter. This is given. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of three sides, that is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 5 15 4 ja 60 62 plus 2 62/15. AB है हमारा x है. AB के बेस पर हम x रख देंगे. BC के बेस पर हम लिखेंगे 4/3 प्लस CA के बेस पर x is equal to 62/15. Now x and x is equal to 2x. 4/3 is equal to 62/15. Now we will bring 4/3 from left hand side to right hand side. It will become negative. इधर आकर के ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Then we get 2x is equal to 62/15 minus 4/3 is equal to, we take LCM 15. 15 1 जा 15, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 62 we will multiply by 1, we get 62. 3 divided by 15 divided by 3, we get 5. 5 multiply 4 is equal to 62 multiply 20/15. We get 2x here. Now we will solve it. We get x is equal to 2x. We take 62 minus 20, we get 42/15. यहां पर हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, किसी एक कॉमन वेक्टर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. लाइक दैट हम ले रहे हैं यहां पर 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 14 3 जा और 3 5 जा 15. 3 से दोनों को डिवाइड किया हमने तो वी गेट 14 in the numerator and 5 in denominator. Then x is equal to 14/5. Here 2 is multiply. It comes in denominator, that will be divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 7 ja. Then we get x equal to 7/5 centimeter. It means AB is equal to 7/5 centimeter and BC and AC also equal to 7 upon 5 centimeter. Then I hope all the students can solve these sums of this exercise. Now we will come on exercise number 2.3. Here we will solve the sums of exercise number 2.3. Some questions I will solve, and then I hope that you will be able to solve the other type of the questions. Now, first we come on exercise number 2.3. We take first question. Solve the following equation and check your result. Question number 1 is here. 3x is equal to 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. इस इक्वेशन में हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है और हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करके इसे चेक भी करना है कि ये करेक्ट है या नहीं है. देन वी ब्रिंग द like term in a same side. 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Then here 3x minus 2x equal to 1x left is equal to 18. Value of x will be equal to 18. Now how we will check? Take the same equation. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now whenever we will check, left hand side must be equal to right hand side. 3 multiply 18 because x is 18 is equal to 2 multiply 18 plus 18. Here left hand side will be 54. 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. 54 is equal to 54. LHS is equal to RHS. We have checked the correctness of the answer. We take another question. Like this we can solve. Solve the following equations and check your answer. Result 5t minus 3 and is equal to 3t minus 5. 5t, question number 2, 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Then 5t, we bring the same like terms in left hand side in same direction, same side. 3t minus 3t. 3t is plus here. Whenever we bring it in left hand side, it will become negative. Minus 3 is in left hand side. We will bring it in right hand side because 3 and 5 are like terms. So it will become plus. Minus 2 left and here 2t will be left. 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. We get minus 2. and value of t is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. Value of t is equal to minus 1. Whenever we will check the answer on both the side, the result will be the same if our answer is correct. 5 multiplied t is minus 1 minus 3. We put the value of t minus 1. 3 multiply minus t minus 5. Minus 5 here, minus 3. Minus 3 minus 5 here. Left hand side we get minus 8. And right hand side also we get minus 8. So this answer is also correct. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Now students, now we will take another question. Another question we will take question number 4, that is equal to, we will solve the question number 4. Question number 4, solve the following equation and 4z plus 3, 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 6 plus 2z. Now we will solve it. We bring z in because 4z and 2z are like terms. So we will bring in one side, left hand side, that is 2z plus here it will, we bring it will become minus 6 minus 3. जब हम इसको इधर लाएंगे तो ये प्लस से माइनस हो जाएगा. ये बचा हमारा कितना, 2z हो गया प्लस के, 3 आंसर यहाँ आया माइनस. Then value of the z is equal to 3 by 2. Now we will check. Check the answer. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Now putting the value of z on both the sides, 4 into 3 upon 2 plus 3, 6 plus 2 into z, 3 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 3 here is equal to 6 plus 2 1 ja 2 and 6 plus 3. We get on both the sides will be the same result. 9 is equal to 9. Hence we can say left hand side must be equal to right hand side. So students, I hope that you will understand the exercise 2.3, and I hope that you can do and you will become able to solve all the sums. If you have any problem, face any problem, then you can ask. Okay, and best of luck.